Amitabh Bachchan, believe it or not, is connected slash loosely related to Amrita Singh. Can you guess
What?
how? Hi, this is Avanti,
Hi, this is Priyanka.
and welcome to Over Coffee or Wine.
Welcome. So, did you see Amitabh Bachchan is now on Instagram?
I thought he always was.
He put a reel up. So, he's testing Insta to be more active on video because he's pretty active on Twitter, right?
You know, on Twitter, he numbers every post. It's so cute, right? That is so like uncle.
He also states the time. Farah Khan had gone to Radhika Madan's house and she had a handwritten letter from Amitabh Bachchan. So Farah Khan said, Arey, I know you for so many years, Amit sir. You give me also a letter, not even I want. So then he sent it to her house and he has a very beautiful handwriting with an ink pen and he has written the time. So he has written it at 3
Aw.
o'clock in the morning.
Wow.
Yeah, I think his sleep schedule is a bit.
I feel he's so cute, yeah. Especially now that he's like older now, he's so cute. Kaun Banega Crorepati, which is still going on. I think this is the last season, right? I remember my mom telling me this is the last season that Amitabh Bachchan is going to host. So then I was like, oh my god, who's going to host then? You know, because there was a brief time where Shah Rukh was hosting
Yeah.
it, and then Amitabh came back. But majority it has been Amitabh Bachchan only.
And it tanked, right? When Shah Rukh did it or something?
I think so. I don't
Yeah.
think it went as well. And he's been doing, my goodness, we were like little kids when he started. It has gone from 1 crore to 7 crore.
And I think he has gone to 70 crore because he's
Or
doing it
more.
for easily. Good for
I mean,
him.
he's like 81 years old. Isn't that crazy?
He's in his 80s.
His birthday is in October, right? So, but he is a legend, man.
Yeah.
Such a legend. Speaking of Shri Amitabh Bachchan, you've done a couple of these Bollywood connections. Just it's all relative in Bollywood. Everyone somehow is connected in Bollywood. It's like this big family tree. So the other day, I was thinking about it, and Amitabh Bachchan, believe it or not, is connected slash loosely related to Amrita Singh. Can you guess
What?
how?
I'm sure you have taken like a detour and some liberties in between. I can try, but I think
Let's
I'll
try
fail.
it.
Yeah.
Try start with Amrita Singh maybe.
So Amrita Singh has two children.
Okay.
Ibrahim and Sarah. So, okay, yeah, of course. She was married to Saif Ali Khan.
Correct.
Saif Ali Khan is married to Kareena Kapoor Khan. Kareena Kapoor Khan is from the Kapoor Khandan. So she is, so maybe her parents. Her parents are Randhir Kapoor and Babita. Okay, yeah, I think I know it, but I don't know the
Okay.
connection.
Yes.
Randhir Kapoor's siblings,
Sister.
sister. Okay, why don't you take it forward?
Okay. So Randhir Kapoor's sister was, now she passed away. So Randhir
Okay.
Kapoor's sister, Ritu Nanda, who is married to Nanda, and her son is Nikhil Nanda, who is husband of Shweta Bachchan, who is Amitabh Bachchan's daughter. So Kareena Kapoor's aunt is Shweta Bachchan, Nanda's mother-in-law.
So, do you remember Abhishek also was engaged very publicly to Karishma Kapoor?
Correct.
So, it was like the Bachchan family has married into the Kapoor family. I mean, if both marriages had
Yes.
happened, then it would
Right.
have been like that.
Correct.
Oh.
Because the daughter is already married in not technically the Kapoor family. She's married into Nanda, but the mother is a Kapoor. Right? Like Nikhil Nanda's mother was a Kapoor, Ritu Nanda, and she is Randhir Kapoor's, basically Raj Kapoor's daughter. There are 5 siblings: Randhir Kapoor, Ritu Nanda, Rishi Kapoor, then
Shami Kapoor.
no, Shami Kapoor is. Oh God. Oh God, yeah. Now that we're talking about Kareena. Shami Kapoor is Raj Kapoor's brother.
Okay, relax. 5 siblings तूने ऐसे बोला जैसे देखो सबका नाम.
I'll tell you na. Randhir Kapoor, Ritu Nanda, Rishi Kapoor, Reema Jain,
Okay.
Adar Jain, and that one mom, Reema Jain, and Rajiv Kapoor, who used to be called as Chimpu. Rishi Kapoor is Chintu, like, but he's the one from Ram Teri Ganga Mail.
I got a visual. Yeah.
So
got it.
5 kids. One of the siblings is Ritu Nanda, whose son is married to Amitabh's daughter. But yes, you're right. If that engagement would have proceeded to marriage, then both Amitabh Bachchan's kids would have married into the Kapoor Khandan. Look at how it's like all
I
intertwined.
know.
But yeah, isn't that crazy?
I mean, it
That, like,
seems short, but it's not very evident.
all relative.
It's all relative indeed. This new generation will really have to check who they are dating.
I know. Because they're all such a small circle it is.
So if you like this video, we also have more such Bollywood connections. So have a look at those videos as well.
All right. If you liked our content, then like, share, and subscribe over coffee or wine. Bye.
Bye.